Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to our channel Cooking to Inspire. In continuance of our Schezwan sauce series, today we are going to make masala idli, which is a healthy snack which we can eat at breakfast or at tea time. And it is prepared only in 5 minutes. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So beautiful souls, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications of my new uploads. And if you have any suggestions or comments, drop it in the comment box. I'll be eagerly waiting for them. Schezwan masala idli. For that we need idlis, pudina coriander chutney, Schezwan sauce, tomato ketchup, chopped vegetables, butter, grated garlic and spring onion. Heat the pan, add butter, add garlic, add the vegetables and saute it for 3 minutes. Now add the Schezwan sauce, tomato ketchup and the coriander pudina chutney. And mix it very well. Now add little water so that all the mixture should blend amongst each other, and add diced idlis. Now mix well so that the masala should blend with the idli, incorporate with the idlis. Our masala idli is ready. Serve it in a dish. Now garnish it with some spring onions and enjoy.